So hey guys, today I'm unboxing this baby item again. Okay, so on. It's called Marcus and Marcus Flip and Strap. Okay, may useful for your may useful for you lah if you have a babies. Okay, so I try to zoom. So this is a BPA and petalite free. Okay, and this is whole something. The length is 590 mm. It's about 59 cm and 23 inch. Okay, before I unbox this, so I let you see the instruction at the back. Wash thoroughly before initial use. After each use, stain can be removed by washing with the hot soapy water. Store product in the right place. Do not leave product direction sun. So in Malaysia is distributed by what? I let you see the company name. What pet Thai labels and number. Okay. So this is the Marcus and Marcus product. Made in China. You can go through their website and design in Vancouver. Okay. So like a box. What is this for? Okay. Just unboxing the product. May useful for you as well as for your baby. Okay. So it's like holding something. For example, you want to let your baby play something and don't want always to fall to the floor. Then you want to just like hang it. Okay, you actually can as an example, something you like to give to your baby to play, then you can just place in here and just tie it. You see, you can see rubber it was very high quality material. Yeah, you can hold it. And this is you hang somewhere else. Okay, near the car seat or any place. You can see over here. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what that called. You can hang it, you see. Okay, so you can just hang it, but you can buy it online. Okay, actually I also bought it online. It's you can see a material is very high quality. Sorry, I don't know how to say about this thing, but this is the brand of Marcus. It's very hard to pull it out, but don't worry, you just can pull it out easily. Okay, so they have a 3-step level. Depend on how big is your item the baby to hold, so you can lock it. Level 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the material is a BPA free, mean it's safe for your kids or your baby. Okay, how to use, just unbox video. So you can see the instruction over here. Multi-use connector. I call multi-use connector. And it's adjustable, tall, and strap the organizer. Okay, and this is the food grade. This is a food grade silicone rubber material. Okay, and dishwasher safe, and also can be steam and sterilized safe. Okay, so it's called the multi-use connector. Okay, that's all for unboxing this product. The brand is called Marcus and Marcus. If you like this video, please give us a like, please give us and subscribe to our channel. And if you know more about this product, you can just comment below and share together. So thanks for watching and goodbye.